In this video, we are going to see how we can permanently delete our Gmail account. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just sign in with your Gmail account that you want to delete. So once we have that open, you just open up your Gmail account, and here on the top right hand corner, you see this profile icon of yours. Click on that and head over to the manage your Google account. And from here, we head over to the data and privacy, and here you can delete that account. So you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says delete your Google account. You choose that. And here it says you have the option to download your data. You can download your data before deleting your account. So if you want to download it, you can go ahead and download it from here, and it will show you what content will be deleted. It says all this content will be deleted: your Gmail, your associated YouTube account, and the calendar, Google Play and apps and digital content. So you click on yes, I acknowledge that I'm responsible for anything incurred. Yes, I want to permanently delete this and all its data, and then you head over to click and go ahead and delete this account. But just make sure that this is the right account that you want to delete, because you won't be able to recover it afterwards. So just be careful and choose the right account that you want to delete. So that is how you can permanently delete your Google account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.